People asked to compare this new Harbor Freight TailGator two-stroke generator to one of these Honda four-strokes. I happen to have a 2000 model. This generator has not been started in months, so we'll see how that goes. Obviously, they're very different products, a two-stroke and a four-stroke, bigger, smaller, etc. But this is familiar to a lot of people, so it's worth trying to share. Professional microphone on a professional camera, how it replays on your device, maybe that's a different story, but here we go.